Leaders roll. Disclaimer. This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello there, welcome to the channel. My name is Will from Leaders Road, and today I want to show you a new AI technology that has so much potential to generate passive income on autopilot. This is not a sponsor's video. In fact, I found this opportunity through a friend of mine. This guy is an investor. He has experience in the crypto market. He makes multiple figures a month. He's always looking for opportunities. He told me this. Well, this is a bot. They are improving the system rapidly. You have real results and profitable results. And the best of all, you're going to have full control of your capital. So I went to do my due diligence. I went to check this bot. And during this video, I'm going to share all that information. I will tell you why I'm deciding to use this system, and also I'm going to show you the process to get it started. Just keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not allowed to give you any financial advice. I'm just sharing my experiences with these projects, and I think right here I have something that you might want to take a look. First, let's talk about what happened last Saturday, where all the crypto market drops and Bitcoin and all the major coins were affected. You can see here in the crypto bubbles how the market looks like right now, or if you go to market cap, here you can see how that drop affects the whole market. All the major coins went to the same direction, and if we check the reports of liquidation that day on Saturday, they have 423 million in losses. Liquidation means those accounts went to zero only during that Saturday. 168 million only in Binance. We all know the crypto market is super volatile, super risky. Of course, nobody was prepared for this. No one, not even an experienced trader, could predict this. And if you are using a bot, I hope that bot didn't liquidate your account. Well, here is where I'm going to introduce you to this new AI technology called TAFABOT. Let me show you. The main reason I'm deciding to use this bot is because last Saturday, TAFABOT performs fantastic. The bot didn't present any losses, no liquidations. In fact, some of the users got profits during that day. This bot is designed to perform trades on our behalf. All we need to do is integrate our Binance account to the bot or to any other exchange platform. They have multiple options. They cannot have access to our accounts. They cannot have access to withdrawals. They can even have access to the profits we're going to generate with them. We are in total control of our capital, and this is something new. They got started not long ago. They have only 2 updates since they got started. That right there is a good sign. We don't want to put our capital to trade in a bot that doesn't have backtesting, that doesn't have improvements in the system. It looks like it's going in the right direction. I will show you some of the results from this bot. The other plus, this bot is super easy to use. I just got started last night. I set up my account. The integration with Binance was super fast, super easy. And by the way, I'm putting together the full guide on how to get started down below. And I'm also sharing the strategy that is delivering results. So if at any point you decide to use this service, but you don't know how to set it up, the bot, well, you're going to find it there completely free. Just go there. All you need to do is like this video, give your comments down below, and if you can, share it with someone. If we have a tool to generate passive income that is secure, where you have full control of your capital, where they have a friendly system, and the most important is profitable, well, I'll be happy to share this opportunity with someone else who might need it. So here it says, TAFABOT helps users execute smart trades using different crypto trading bots options suitable for bullish, bearish, or sideways market conditions. And that's exactly what they did here. This is the biggest task that you can give to a bot. If a bot gets out of this event without burning your account, without liquidation, and even making profits, I think that's the real deal. This is an app that is going to be running in your phone. It operates with some of the most popular exchange platforms. The whole system is super solid. Also, the website has so much information. The different bots, crypto signals. Well, I'll show you this in a second. We have docs people behind all of this. They are putting here all the social media links where you can see the CEO and all the representatives of this company. They have a Telegram news channel. This is the announcements channel in English. And if you go there, you can find the schedule for their weekly Zoom calls right here, like this one. Samuel Benedict is the CEO. So it's a good idea to go there, throw your questions. You don't have to register. It's an open call. You just need to follow the timing that they are giving you here. This is a company based in Dubai. Some people went there already to verify this is a real office. So let's talk about the bot. Who is it for? We make it accessible for everyone. Inside TAFABOT, you're going to find 3 different bots. The first one is the neural net bot. This one is about arbitrage. The other bot they offer is the smart index bot. This one is always looking for new trends with a good risk management. And the third bot is this one for longs and shorts using the martingale strategy. This is one of the oldest and probably one of the most effective ways to do trading because it's always going to open 2 positions, one to buy and one to sell. Both are the same time. It could go up or it could go down, but this bot is going to take the best option instantly. My trading is going to be based in this bot. Probably later on, I will make different videos covering the other 2, but this is the option that I chose to follow. And I will also show you the settings to make it run properly. Now, I told you already, they have no access to our capital. They also have no access to our profits. Every time you go to your Binance account or to your OKX account, you check your balance, you check your profits. If you want to take your capital at any time, you can do it because it's your account, it's your own wallet. So how are they going to make money? How are they going to keep this platform running? How they pay the tech support, the staff, the developers, the bonuses? Well, they have right here a yearly membership that is going to cover most of that. They have 3 different licenses. The first license is going to allow you to trade with a max trading capital of 3,000. So if you have less than 3,000 to use this bot, this might be your license. You can integrate the bot to 3 different exchange platforms. We are doing all of this by using API. Don't worry, I will show you how to do that. You can access all the bots, all the pairs, all type of coins. And you can also use the copy trade feature. They have a leaderboard of the most successful traders inside the platform, and you can copy them too. So that is included in this plan. The second plan, if you have a trading capital from 3,000 up to 25K, 25,000, then this is going to be your license. You need to pay 500 yearly, and you can connect 5 different exchanges. You can use all the bots, all the coins. You can do copy trading. But in this one, you can create your custom bot, and you can also become a published trader. Now the next one, and this is for the big accounts. If you have 100,000 trading capital, then this is your option. It's going to cost you 1,000 yearly. You can integrate unlimited exchange platforms. You have all the bots, all the copy trading features. I'm choosing the starter plan. But anyways, if in the future I want to boost it up, I want to go higher, I can upgrade my account. There is another cost that we have to consider, and it's the gas fees. You need to recharge your gas fees wallet. That is to pay the transactions. They're going to charge a fee of 10% in every successful trade. So 90 goes to you, 10% goes to the company. The minimum that they recommend you should have in your gas balance is 35 USDT. You can go higher, of course, you can deposit more, but always make sure you have at least 35 USDT in your balance to pay gas fees. If you don't have any, then the bot is going to stop performing. And remember, they don't have access to our account. They don't have access to do any withdrawals from our Binance account. It's very convenient because we will not have time to go to our accounts, transferring back to TAFABOT the fees of our daily profits. That is going to make it so complicated. So how to get started? It's pretty simple. Just sign up, connect your exchange platform, and start to run your strategy. This is a phone app. There are few simple steps. The first thing we need to do is get a license. Let's say if you want to go with the lowest cost, you just want to test it out. You will need 100 to buy the license, 35 to pay the gas fees, and inside your Binance account, they recommend to have a minimum of 100 USDT per coin. You can trade with multiple coins. If you want 2 coins, you can put 200. If you want 3 coins, you can put 300. You could also add less in each coin. You can run it for 50 or 80 or 70 USDT. But the recommended amount that I got from my source is 100 USDT per coin. You will see my account. Remember, I have the full guide down below the description of this video. Just click in that link. This is what I'm putting together for all my team members. You have the registration, how to get the license and gas fees, the Binance integration, and the winning strategy. That's all we need to do there. Security. These guys are also having a referral program. It looks super interesting too, but I guess for that one, we're going to make a separate video. In this video, what I want to show you first is the results. So let me show you those. These are some of the results from the members inside the Telegram group. One of the Telegram groups that I joined. They are daily posting results like these ones. 40, 20, 10, 23, 44, and 19. And all of those accounts have different capital. They've been able to deliver an average of 10% to 20% in monthly returns. Some other users had 30 and even 40% in 1 month. I'm not saying this platform is perfect. As I mentioned already, they are new. They are showing improvements constantly. Look, my result 56, 45, 38. Some others like this, 259, 391. Most of these earnings are coming from accounts with a capital of 1K, 1,000. When you join the Telegram group, you can have access to all of these results, the sources. They're also in the website. Let me show you that here. They have a very solid site with a lot of information. This is the blogs tab, always with news about the platform, the improvements. We also have videos from the office, comparisons between other similar bots. I've been using another bot. I've been covering that one for the last 2 months, almost 3 months. It's one of my favorite bots. I could say they have similar characteristics. They are not the same because after the report, TAFABOT won. That's why I'm looking for this new alternative. Not because I don't want to use the other one. That one is still an amazing bot. It's giving me results for the last 2 months. But that bot wasn't prepared for something like we faced the last Saturday. That was devastating. A lot of users, unfortunately, burned their accounts. I lost money there too. Of course, what we saw last Saturday, we don't see it often. But when we are putting our money in a system like this, the minimum that you are expecting is to have a system that can handle this situation. I need to give my thumbs up for TAFABOT. They did a great job. I wish I got it started before. But anyways, I'm here. I'm showing you what I'm going to do. This is to me just another opportunity to put my crypto to work 24/7. No worries about rug pulls, no hackers, no delays, no refunds, no withdrawal pendings. Just let your strategy run and collect profits. I will keep you informed. I will let you know how everything goes with this one. Really excited, to be honest. Don't forget to watch my full guide. I try to make it as easy as possible so you can follow it from the beginning until the end. If you have no idea how to use these type of systems, I'm showing you there all that you need to do. If you found some value here, I will appreciate your likes and your comments down below. Remember, you can find me on Telegram. The link is in the description of this video if you have any extra questions. And before we go, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. I hope to see you in the next one. That's all for now. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Bye.